back at the Biscayne front windshield opening. So anyways, got a piece made, and that's been off a couple of times. Had to do some filling on the inner lip, and it's all set in place. It's primed and ground for the plug welds, and I think you'll be able to see how tight the joint is, so everything should go good. I just gotta watch that gap right there. Stick a screwdriver in it before I tack it, hold it back from shrinking, bending the roof, and this joint over here should be just a gobble weld, and after it's ground, if there's anything, I'll just put some bronze on it, because most of all this is going to get a little coat of bronze, especially right at the right there. It's going to get a little coat of bronze, I think, because it's still a little thin there, and the bronze will flow up and encapsulate the rust on the roof skin on the inside. It just happened to be a spot where it was starting to travel. It stopped at work in its tracks there. So anyways, it's just a lot of work, that's for sure. But ready to tack it together. Ciao for now.